How to use NetCrunch Honest Review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. NetCrunch is a comprehensive network monitoring solution, but beginners often miss key features that reduce its effectiveness. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not defining clear monitoring goals. Most people get this wrong by tracking everything without prioritization. Decide which devices, servers, and services are critical, and focus monitoring efforts there. Second mistake, ignoring threshold configurations. You won't believe how often alerts are too sensitive or too lenient. Set thresholds based on your network's normal performance to avoid false alarms and missed issues. Third mistake, overlooking visualization tools. The surprising truth is that NetCrunch's dashboards and maps are underutilized. They provide real-time insights into network health, helping identify bottlenecks and problem areas instantly. Fourth mistake, neglecting automated actions. Beginners often manually resolve issues, wasting time. NetCrunch allows automated scripts or notifications to resolve common problems faster and more efficiently. Finally, not reviewing reports regularly is common. Historical data analysis helps in capacity planning, trend identification, and proactive problem solving. Make it a habit to check weekly or monthly reports. Using NetCrunch properly means defining monitoring priorities, setting intelligent thresholds, leveraging dashboards, enabling automated actions, and reviewing reports consistently. Avoid these beginner mistakes to get the most out of your network monitoring.